Ahead of UP Assembly session, politics has erupted over the leader of opposition's post after Samajwadi Party appointed Mata Prasad as UP LOP. BJP and BSP are questioning Samajwadi's PDA plank. With Pratibha joining us on the broadcast with more details. Yes, Pratibha.
Well, Swati, ahead of the assembly election, I beg your pardon, ahead of the session today, Mayawati has now hit out at the Samajwadi Party. This is after the decision was taken. Let me take you to the tweet. She has tweeted in Hindi, of course. Let me translate it for our viewers. The SP chief got the votes of the PDA by misleading them in the Lok Sabha general elections, especially in the guise of saving the constitution. But the fact is that he ignored making a leader from the community of the LOP in the UP Assembly, which is a matter of concern. And then she also goes on to say, in the SP, there is no place for the rest of the PDA except for one particular caste, definitely not for the Brahmin community, because of the oppression and neglect that they have faced in the SP and BJP government. It's out in the open. In fact, their development and upliftment happened only during the BSP government. Therefore, these people must be very careful. That's the attack that has come in from the BSP.
Right. Pratibha, thank you for getting us the details. Adeep is also joining us on the broadcast. Adeep, so BJP and BSP both questioning the PDA plank. And remember, Adeep, time and again, what we've seen is that the PDA definition kept changing from Pichda, Dalit, Alpasankyak to Pichda, Dalit, all. And now I believe the leaders of Samajwadi Party are saying Akhilesh Yadav always said A in PDA stands for Agda. So we have not betrayed anybody.
Well, definitely, Swati, Akhilesh Yadav from time again has been saying that PDA is a family and whoever believes in the Samajwadi ideology comes in the PDA family. And he has been changing the definition of PDA from time and again. Sometimes he refers to PDA as Pichhde Dalit Alsakyak, and then sometimes he refers to PDA as Pichhde Dalit and all. So choosing Mata Prasad Pandey as LOP of UP Assembly is just as a move to woo the voters of the upper caste community, since Samajwadi Party cadre knows that the upper caste was not with them during the Lok Sabha elections, and that's why Akhilesh Yadav has named Mata Prasad Pandey as the LOP of UP Assembly. And also Mata Prasad Pandey is the senior Samajwadi Party leader. He has been the former speaker of the UP Vidhan Sabha, and Akhilesh Yadav knows that if he's not selecting Shivpal Yadav for the post of LOP, then it has to be Mata Prasad Pandey. Otherwise, there would have been an infighting inside Samajwadi Party, because most of their MLAs wanted Shivpal Yadav to lead them in the UP Assembly session. But due to the fear of the dynastic politics, Akhilesh chose Mata Prasad Pandey. And now BJP and BSP both are training guns at Akhilesh Yadav, saying that Akhilesh Yadav is just talking about PDA, but when it comes to naming a leader from the PDA community, he chooses a leader from the upper caste community, which is Mata Prasad Pandey. Swati.
Right. Adeep, stay on with us. We were just talking about the reactions that are coming in from the Samajwadi Party, and in a way to justify the decision behind Mata Prasad Pandey being appointed as the leader of opposition. Here is a big statement coming in by Fakhrul Hasan. He says, A in PDA stands for Agda. Let's listen in.
सवाल ये कि सवाल पीडीए पे कौन उठा रहा है? वो जो खुद दिल्ली से लखनऊ के चक्कर काट रहे हैं, जिनका सफर अभी भी पूरा नहीं हो पाया है। और जहां तक पीडीए का सवाल है, आदरणीय अखिलेश यादव जी ने अपनी प्रेस में ही इस बात को कहा था कि समाजवादी पार्टी के पीडीए में ए फॉर अगड़ा है। वो अगड़ा जो समाजवादी सोच का है, जो सबको साथ लेके चलने में विश्वास रखता है। समाजवादी पार्टी ने माता प्रसाद पांडे जी को विधानसभा में नेता प्रतिपक्ष बनाया है। वो वरिष्ठ समाजवादी नेता हैं, समाजवादी पार्टी के संस्थापक नेता रहे हैं। इसलिए समाजवादी पार्टी समझती सारे विधायकों की ये इच्छा थी, सर्वसम्मति से उनके नाम पे मोहर लगी है। वो पीडीए की जो लड़ाई है वो आगे भी माता प्रसाद पांडे जी भी लेके चलेंगे।
Adeep continues to be with us on the broadcast. Adeep, now I believe this will be a hot topic given that the assembly session is going to start soon.
Well, definitely, Swati, see, most of the BJP leaders have started talking about this. In fact, Keshav Prasad Maurya, who is the Deputy Chief Minister, has been putting out on his social media account from yesterday itself that how Akhilesh Yadav has betrayed the PDA community. He was talking about the PDA all the time during the Lok Sabha elections, and when the time has come to select a PDA leader, he has chosen a leader that is from the upper caste. Samajwadi Party is defending the move of Akhilesh Yadav. They are saying that PDA also means Agade, which comes in the upper caste, and they are saying that the Mata Prasad Pandey is of the Samajwadi Party ideology, and he's a member of this PDA family. In fact, when Times Now spoke to Mata Prasad Pandey, he was saying that the fight for PDA will continue. The PDA is there, and the fight for PDA will continue. But BJP and the other allies of BJP are training guns at Samajwadi Party. BSP has also put out its statement. Mayawati just pointed that how Akhilesh Yadav is betraying the PDA community. So there, when the assembly
multiple political reactions, in fact, coming in. Stay on with us, Adib. We'll continue our analysis and the political reactions that we are getting. Let's listen into what UP Deputy Chief Minister Keshav Prasad Maurya has to say.
श्री अखिलेश यादव जी की असलियत जनता के सामने आ गई है। पीडीए मतलब बहुत बड़ा धोखा है और हम आदरणीय माता प्रसाद पांडे जी का व्यक्तिगत तौर से बहुत सम्मान करते हैं। वो नेता प्रतिपक्ष बने हैं, उनको बधाई भी देते हैं, लेकिन श्री अखिलेश यादव जी का असली चेहरा सामने आ गया। जो फीडबैक आ रहे हैं उसमें जो तथाकथित पीडीए के नाम पर गुमराह करके लोकसभा चुनाव में वोट लिए हैं, उस वर्ग से आने वाले नेता बहुत मायूस हैं। बड़े सपने संजोए हुए थे, चाचा भी सपने संजोए हुए थे, और जो वरिष्ठ नेता थे ओबीसी एससी वर्ग के, वह भी बहुत इच्छा मन में लेकर के बैठे हुए थे, लेकिन अखिलेश यादव जी ने पीठ में छुरा भोंक दिया।
Right, so you heard Keshav Prasad Maurya there. Thank you very much, Adib, for getting us the details. That was Keshav Prasad Maurya. The BJP and the BSP both, in fact, hitting out at the Samajwadi Party, saying that the Samajwadi Party's PDA is nothing but a betrayal for the SC-ST community. We're moving